These assault trucks are in every country. They're in every town. They're probably in a town near you. I found this sleeper cell that are just sitting here. They are here. They are everywhere. These killed people in Nice, France. They are killing people across the country. I do not want to hear about firearms. I am so concerned for everybody's safety. Everybody's safety. They're here. They're aligning against us. Trucks of all types, of all calibers. We are in danger. We are in peril, people. Allied forces conspiring to kill us. That's what I see here. There's Ford. There's the GMC. We have assault trucks of every variety lined up in allegiance to kill us all. Like in Nice, France, like in perhaps a hometown near you, there's Ford. They're everywhere. I do not want to hear the false narrative. Listen, I'm a concerned citizen. I am not safe here reporting this. I mean, one of these trucks may have spotted me. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh my God! I just heard a truck start up. Dude, you gotta get out of here.
Oh my God!
Oh, please. Oh, please don't hurt me. Oh my God.
The engine's already started a couple times. There's nobody even driving! Stop killing people! Oh my God! A microaggression! It's a truck! It's a truck! It's a truck! Oh my God! You're driving a killer truck! Oh my God! Oh! 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 They kill people in these France! They can kill people in France! Oh! 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 Assault truck! Assault truck! Oh! Oh! Assault vehicle, assault truck. Oh my God!